Hi everybody, it's Dr. Passanello and I wanted to explain today's lesson. I provided these notes for you, so please print them out, and I hope that this video helps you to be able to solve the problems on the assignment, which is a pair deck called Food Fractions. Okay, so, or eating fractions. Eating fractions is today's lesson, sorry. All right, so what do we mean by dividing a whole number by a fraction? What we mean is that we are going to take 3 whole and divide it into a fractional amount. Each one is going to be divided. So in this problem, it's 3 whole candy bars cut into thirds. So when we look at, here's 3 candy bars, and each one is cut into thirds. So there's 3 thirds in each one. Now I numbered them, you have 9. So let's take a look at how we would write that. 3, let's get a pen. 3 divided by a third equals 9. Okay. All right. That's what we solved. That's the equation we solved. Well, we can use a diagram and an equation. Diana has 3 sandwiches and she's cutting them into quarters. What does 3 divided by 1/4 mean? So we are going to cut them into fourths. A quarter is a fourth. So here we go. Here's her sandwiches. There's 4 fourths in each one. So she has how many pieces? 4, 8, 12. And here it is. 3 divided by 1/4 is 12. Let's get rid of that. And let's take a look. So the problem is 3 divided by 1/4 equals 12. Okay. All right. So I explained further that it's the same as 3 times 4. Well, you changed it to multiplication and you multiplied by the reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? The reciprocal is basically the fraction flipped over. It is whatever number that if you multiply it by this fraction, it will turn out to be 1. That's what a reciprocal is. So you're flipping the fraction over and multiplying. Okay, that's what a reciprocal is. So let's take a look at that. Both of these can be written as multiplication problems. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 4 . So basically, whenever you are dividing a number by a fraction, instead of dividing, what you do is you multiply by the reciprocal. So you keep the dividend the same, and you are going to multiply by the reciprocal of the divisor. And that's it. We'll do more of these tomorrow and at extra help. Hope this helped.